you are fine and safe at your home. As you know, that is your Ma'am Neelam, math subject teacher. Okay, class. Do you have rough register? Class. Take out your rough register. Show me. Show me your rough register. Yes. Okay, now hold your pencil or your own choice color. Look at class. Yes. Which color you like? So pick up that one. I like brown color. Today I am working with brown color. Open your register. Take out your maths portion and show me, Shabash. Open it. Hold your ruler. Pencil as well. Okay, student. I am drawing the margin line after 2 blocks. Look at me and count with me. 1, 2. 1, 2. Draw margin line after 2 blocks. Draw a straight line like this. Hurry up, class. Come at the last of the line. Here. Class. Here you should draw the line before 1 block. Look at me. 1. Leave this block. Before 1 block, you should draw the line here. Draw a straight line like this. Look at me. Done? Show me. Show me your lines. Okay, class, now you hold your pencil. Pencil, okay? And I am picking up the marker. Look at me. And say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And start with me, Shabash. Start with me. Come in this portion. Come in this portion, okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. S dot N-O. N is not having tail, okay? N-O. S dot N-O means serial number. S dot N-O means serial number. The writing should be in this portion, okay? Don't come in this portion. Okay? Writing should be neat and clean and this portion. Okay. Now come to the this one portion and write along with the margin line. Capital M. Write it, Shabash. Capital M. मुंह से बोले शाबाश. Capital M, small a, M A, T, M A T, H S, maths, MATHS, maths. Done? Okay. Now come in the center of the line. लाइन के बिल्कुल बीच में लिखना है आप लोगों ने. अच्छा, C dot C dot W. C dot W mean class work. C dot W mean classwork. Now come at the last of the line and write date. Date is 3rd May. 3rd May. The 5th month name is May. Year is 2021. Year is 2021. Okay, class. Along with the margin line, cross these two blocks. It means we should not writing something here. Don't write in the first one line, okay, class? Cross the next two blocks. Done? Okay. In the second one line, you should write capital C. Capital C, small o, U, N, T. C O U N T. I N G. Counting. Topic name is counting. Today the topic is about counting. Okay, class. Cross these two blocks and count with me. How many blocks I crossed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, cross the next two blocks. 7, 8. How many blocks I crossed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I crossed 8 blocks. It means not writing here. Okay. In the third one block, you should write here capital T. T means tens, which is having friend. Okay. R means ones, tens and ones. Okay. Below the T, you should leave one block. Leave this one block and write down 1.
इसे के मैं मैडम को बताऊंगी कि फिर ये नहीं किया मैं तो पता नहीं
1.
जैसे चिट्टू लगो सीखे पहले मुझे जैसे के देता ना विकल 9 क्लास
Okay. After all, leave the block and write down 1. 1, 1, 11. Okay. After 1, leave the block. And here write down 2. Which is touch the block up and down. Okay. Touch the block up and down. You should write with the pencil. Okay. Leave the block here. Write down. Erase this 2. This is 1, okay? 1. 1, 2, 12. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. Leave the blocks, okay? And touch the block up and down. 1, 3, 13. Then write down 1, 4. 1, 4, 14. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. What comes after 14? 15. Okay, leave the blocks. 1, 5, 15. Touch the block up and down. What comes after 15? 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. Leave the blocks. Leave the blocks after 16. Write down 1, 1, 7, 17. 'Then write down 1, 8, 18. Touch the block up and down. Okay, I am waiting for you. One, 8, 18. After 18, what comes here? 1, 9, 19. Okay, class, I have no portion, so I am making another portion for myself. If you have not portion, so go to the next portion. Leave in the mid one block here and write here capital D O, tens, ones. Okay. Write down 2020. 2020. Okay, class, read with me. 111. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 2020. Okay, class, close your register. This was today's topic. And now go to the workbook. Take out your workbook. Take out your workbook. This one book, okay? And open it. Take out page number 36, 36. Look at class 36. Now come on the top of the page. Here you should write homework because this is your homework. H, capital H dot W. Write it, Shabash. H dot W. H dot W mean homework. H dot W mean homework. Okay, now come to the date portion, which is given, okay? Right in front of the date, Third May 2021. 3rd May 2021. Okay, and look at here. Here is given tens and unit. जो आप लोगों ने नर्सरी में पढ़ा है, ओके, टेंस एंड यूनिट. यहाँ लिखा है 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14. यहाँ सेम लाइक देम आप लोगों ने भी राइट करना है, सही है. 1, 1, 11 राइट करेंगे, 1, 2, 12 राइट करेंगे, 1, 3, 13 राइट करेंगे. इसी तरह फुल पेज को आपका, ये आपका होमवर्क है, राइट करेंगे बच्चे. सुफियान, अर्शिद, शोमी बच्चे आपने क्या लिखा है? शोमी, well done, well done. मायरा अमीन, मायरा अमीन, बच्चे आप भी दिखाए मुझे. लवेजा, आप तो नजर नहीं आ रही, दिखाए मुझे, नजर नहीं आ रही मुझे. Okay, thank you class. This was today's topic. And see you tomorrow. Bye bye for tomorrow.